Hello and welcome to BoardgameNinja. This is your quick guide to Tag Team, a two-player battle game you can learn in just 4 minutes so you can jump straight into the action. Let's dive right in. In Tag Team, you form a team of 2 fighters to face off against your opponent's duo. The box includes 12 different fighters. Each player starts with 6, picks one and then passes the remaining 5 to the other player, after which each picks their second fighter. The goal is simple: knock out one of your opponent's fighters by reducing their hit points to 0. If fighters of both teams are knocked out in the same turn, the match ends in a draw. Every fighter has a fighter board that shows their hit points, attack power and any special traits. Depending on the fighter, there may be extra tracks or tokens that trigger effects at certain moments. Check the setup section to see what makes your fighter unique. Each fighter also comes with a deck of 10 cards. Take out the starting card of each fighter, shuffle the rest together, and that's your build deck. Decide which starting card to play first and place it on top of your fight deck. Here's where it gets interesting. In Tag Team, you don't shuffle during the game. You'll add new cards to the front, back or middle of your fight deck, but the order is not changed. Once both decks are ready, the battle begins. Each round has 2 steps, the fight step and the build step. During the fight step, both players reveal their top fight card simultaneously until the deck runs out. Flip open the top card and both perform the actions shown at the same time. Each card belongs to one of your fighters, so that fighter becomes active and carries out the action. After both cards are resolved, move to the next pair. If one fighter's hit points drops to 0, the fight ends immediately. When all cards have been played, it's time for the build step. Draw 3 cards from your build deck. Choose one and add it to your fight deck. Anywhere you want, as long as you don't change the order of the other cards. The 2 unchosen cards go to the bottom of your build deck. Let's look at some of the cards and icons. This icon shows which fighter the card belongs to. An attack deals damage to the opposing active fighter. Count the number of power cubes and deal that much damage. A block cancels your opponent's attack. Try to predict when they'll strike, and if your block lines up, you'll even get a bonus action. A purple cube means you gain power by adding a cube to your fighter. We are showing the deck of the Pirate Queen. Whenever this icon appears, her pirate track increases. Some cards have extra effects based on that track's value. For example, if the track is between 8 and 15, this card heals you for 3 and heals your teammate for 3 as well. Each card explains its actions clearly, and every fighter has their own powers and playstyle, making it a fun puzzle to master. And that's how you play Tag Team. With 12 fighters in the box, there are tons of combinations and tactics to explore. Have fun experimenting and let us know what you think. See you for the next video on BoardgameNinja. Bye!